What if your Autotask data could actually tell you what to fix next without living in reports or spreadsheets? Steve here, an operational strategist at Advanced Global MSP Coaching and part of a team that lives and breathes Autotask operations. Today, I want to walk you through something that quietly solves one of the biggest MSP frustrations I see, turning Autotask data into real operational insights without manual analysis. This comes from Joe Rourke, and if you've been around Autotask long enough, you already know the name. If you're an MSP owner, you know the problem. You have tons of data inside Autotask: tickets, SLAs, backlog alerts, aging, client trends. But pulling it together, benchmarking it, and turning it into decisions is a pain in the butt. Most owners either avoid it or spend hours staring at workbooks and still walk away unsure what actually matters. Joe Rourke's original Autotask workbooks solved part of the problem years ago. I used them myself over a decade ago to drive real operational improvements. But what he's done now takes it even a step further. He's layered AI directly on top of the Autotask workbooks. Here's the simple version of how it works. The workbook connects to your Autotask database. It pulls service desk trends, SLA performance, backlog, ticket aging, and client activity. And instead of you interpreting all of that manual, AI generates executive and operational summaries for you, not charts for chart's sake, actual explanations of what's happening and where the friction lies. If you've ever wished Autotask could just tell you what's wrong instead of making you figure it out, hit like on this video so other MSPs owners see it. One thing I really like about this setup is how practical it is. You get a live workbook connected directly to Autotask, a demo version with sample data, a PowerPoint template that links directly to the analysis, and an AI workflow that turns raw numbers into plain English insights. This isn't about replacing your brain. It's about removing the grind so you can focus on decision. And here's the key part. This is built for MSP owners doing planning, like year-end reviews, quarterly resets, or operational prioritization, not just reporting for the reporting's sake. Drop a comment if you've ever pulled a report out of Autotask and thought, cool, data. Now what? Now, let me be honest. Tools like this don't magically fix broken processes. If your Autotask setup is messy, the data is going to reflect that. But that's actually the point and the benefit. Clear data creates pressure to improve, and that's where real operational change starts. What Joe's done, well, here's a compressing the gap between data and action using AI to do the interpretation work most MSPs never have time for. And if you don't want to connect it to your Autotask right away, there's a demo package you can explore safely first. If clean, AI assisted operational reviews sound useful, make sure you subscribe. We're going to keep covering practical AI use cases for Autotask MSPs, not theory. The takeaway here isn't that AI replaces leadership. It's that smart MSPs are using AI to remove friction, shorten feedback loops, and make better decisions faster. If you're an Autotask user and operational planning always feels heavier than it should be, this is worth a look. And if you need help setting this up, interpreting the results, or turning insights into action, yeah, that's exactly what Advanced Global does. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe, and drop your Autotask or AI questions below. And if you want help turning Autotask data into actual operational improvements, check us out at agmspcoaching.com. Other than that, have an awesome day.